Hello, welcome to your first Python programming session. I'm excited to get started. Have you ever done any Python programming before?
Hello, ma'am. No, I haven't done any programming before. I'm really excited to learn Python though.
That's great to hear. Python is an excellent language to start with because it's simple and easy to read.
What is Python programming?
Python is a high level interpreted programming language. It's known for its readability and straightforward syntax.
What do you mean by high level and interpreted?
A high level language is a programming language that is designed to make it easier for humans to understand and write. Interpreted means that Python code is executed line by line without first compiling the program into machine language. Python is used for web development, software development, data analysis and machine learning, task automation. Advantages of Python: open source, easy to write, read, and debug, object oriented, high level, extensive library support, cross platform compatibility. Now let's start with something simple. The first program that most people write when learning a new language is called Hello World. Let's write the code together. As you can see, we have successfully printed our first code in Python. In Python, we use print function to display the output. In this code, print hello world is the input and hello world is the output. Now let's learn what is a variable in Python. A variable in Python is like a container that holds data. You can store information in a variable and use it later in your program. For example, you might want to store your name and age. Here is how you can create variables. So here name and age are variables and interview and 20 are the values stored in those variables. Variables can store different types of data. Now let's see the rules for defining variable names. Rule number 1. Variable names must start with the letter or an underscore. Always remember, variables cannot start with digits. Rule number 2. After the first character, variable names can contain letters, digits, or underscore. Rule number 3. Variable names should not contain special characters like at the rate, hash, dollar, percent, etc. Rule number 4. Variable names are case sensitive. So here, age are two different variables. Rule number 5. Variable names should not be a Python reserved keywords. Example class, for, if, while, etc. Avoid using Python keywords and built-in function names as variable names. Rule number 5. No spaces allowed. Variable names should not contain spaces. In this case, you can use underscore to separate the words. I hope you have understood how to declare variables in Python. In next video, we will learn about data types and data structures. Thank you.